Hi guys, tonight we're making medicinal muffins. This is London. She's my granddaughter. And we are making medicinal muffins. So you take whatever your favorite muffin mix is, or else you can do it homemade and put your ingredients into a bowl. And the other ingredients, the medicinal ingredients we're using is lion's mane. What does lion's mane do? For the brain?
It helps with the brain.
Yeah, lion's mane. We're going to use some lion's mane. Makes your brain fast and smart. It's brain food. And our next one we're going to use is dandelion roots. What do dandelion roots do?
Oh,
The liver.
the liver.
Dandelion roots improve and clean your liver. And then we're using rose hips. We ground all these up. So what are the rose hips? One rose hip. What does that do?
It's 2 whole oranges.
Yeah, so one rose hip is equivalent to 2 oranges in vitamin C. And then, of course, we're going to add some fruit. We're going to add some strawberries cut up, some blueberries, and instead of water, we made a wild rose petal tea, and it's cooled now. So we're using this as a substitute instead of water. And then we have an egg that goes in it. But if you are vegan and you don't want to use an egg, you could use that, the stuff that is just like eggs, but it's not eggs. Tastes like eggs, looks like eggs, but it's not eggs. A friend of mine did a little video on that. Okay, here we go. So do you want to, I'll add the water, which is the roses, in for you. You can start stirring. And we may as well put some of the roses in. Let's put them all in. That's good. Yeah, you mix that around, and I'll get the egg in here for you. Mix that around. Work on that. Get it all mixed good. Let me know if you need any help.
Yeah.
Your hair back so you don't get hair in your muffins. There you go. Oh, you're doing a good job. It's mixing really nicely. So we've got the oven already preheated to 400. So you won't get to see the finished product of the medicinal muffins, but I'll tell you, they'll be in our belly pretty fast anyhow. So this muffin mix that we're using is oatmeal chocolate chip. So imagine the oatmeal chocolate chips, rose hips, lion's mane, dandelion roots, strawberries, blueberries, yummy yum. Okay, so let's add the dandelion
Can I add
roots. Yep, add the dandelion roots for the liver. So this is going to clean your liver. Great job. Stir that around. She's a master at this. Okay, next we will add lion's mane for the brain. This will make you quick and smart. You want to add that, babes?
I want to add the strawberries.
Put these in. You're going to add them all. One at a time. Great. Mix that around. Still a little bit in there. Let's go. There. Don't waste it. And then the next we're going to add our rose hips. So we used 10 rose hips. How many oranges would that be?
20.
That would be equivalent to 20 oranges in vitamin C, these 10 rose hips. You want to dump it in, babies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just 1 second. I'm just mixing it a little more.
I'm going to add just a little bit more of the tea in there because you need it. There you go. Just go a little slower. It's okay. We'll get that. Just go slow because it'll splash all over. So what these muffins are going to do is if you have one in the morning, it's going to be full of vitamin C, make you feel real good. Your brain's going to be fast and your liver's going to be squeaky clean. You're going to be like a machine, a muffin machine. Okay, let's put in your strawberries. Ooh, yummy. She cut all them up herself. Great job. There you go, yep. I might eat that one. Lovely. Mixing, mixing, mixing the muffins, the medical
mix it all
muffins. Sure. Oh, it's getting hot. Right. Do you want to add the blueberries to it? Great. Show the people how it's looking. Ooh la 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 la, yummy. Okay. So that's all there is to it, guys. Now we're going to pour them into our little muffin tins, and we're going to bake them on 400, and then we're going to have medicinal muffins. They're going to be so great for breakfast. I don't think we're going to wait for breakfast, so we're going to eat them all tonight, and we'll have clean livers. Our vitamin C will be high, and we'll be smart. So let's give them a little peek. There we go, guys. That's it. That's a wrap.